How to connect your GoDaddy domain with Deliveryman? Just head over to email sending domains, click on add new domain, put the domain name that you have on GoDaddy, click on proceed. This will give you 4 NS records. Head over to GoDaddy and select your domain. After that, head over to DNS. Within DNS, head over to name servers and change name server. Select I use my own name server. Copy these NS records and save. Once your request is succeeded, just head over and click on I have added the records. It will take 5-10 minutes for these records to propagate, and once done, it will take you to the next screen. So once it's done, it will take you to a screen for creating the mailboxes. Yeah, that's how you add a domain from GoDaddy to Deliveryman. Thanks.